it's Snowflake, and today I have a very special guest called
Sparkly B.
And today we are going to be doing Who Can Make That Jury Challenge, but with slime. So let's get started. First, we'll make a bracelet. Put it down, roll it in a ball. Ready, set, go.
You can make a bracelet.
Yeah. And it has to fit you.
Yep.
Done. Comment down below who won.
Just wait, I'm not done.
Mine is more as a fencer. This is the back. Ooh, what? Oops. This is the back. This is the front. Jason.
This is my bracelet.
Back front. Hers is more as a circle. Mine's more as a like beast. Yeah.
Mine. I think comment down below that. Say mine is better.
Okay, next
Mine.
round. Get ready.
I need more.
Yep, that's it. Ready?
No?
Ready? It's
No.
necklace. Oh no. And you have to wear it. And I look hip. Sorry, I might look a bit weird. Oh, it's cold.
I'm gonna make a little baby necklace.
There we are. Look. Nice one.
Oh, it's baking.
Here's the front. Nice, nice.
Oh, hers might be better than mine actually. Thought mine would have been better, but
Here's mine. I have to quickly take it off before it sticks to me. My hair. Oh, got it. Ah.
mine's turning.
Freedom.
So there. Take my head off.
After when she's done, say who won. And it's a necklace, not a choker. You tell them a secret. I'll go closest.
Can you put my head?
No.
Can you pull my head up?
You don't have to wear it. Did you hear that?
Nope.
And this is my ready.
Really big one. Actually, really big.
The next one is a choker. Done.
Oh,
Trick is that.
tickle my head.
Is it?
Yes. Come on.
That's it for today. We'll see you all next time. Comment down below what challenges you want us to do. And yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and hit the bell. Bye.